2009 Chrysler 300c. Today we're going to be replacing the rear tail lights with some LED ones. You can see on the driver's side, I've already got the driver's side one installed and tinted. That's what we're going to be installing. This is what we're going to be taking out. And this could not be easier. If you look in here, you'll see that they have these giant plastic wing nuts. And if you can't get them by hand, I believe that's a 10 millimeter right there on the end. So you can like put a wrench or a socket on these if you need to. We're gonna go ahead and pull this siding out. Inside here, we have our connector, which has a locking tab. Pull that red locking tab towards you, and then you can just slide the connector off and out of the way. And then in the back, you'll see another wing nut. Just throw that anywhere, and up here is the last wing nut. And with those three wing nuts removed, go ahead and grab your tail light and pull it straight towards you. A little hard to do with one hand, but that's literally all it is. You don't even need any tools to do this. And if you get a direct replacement like we got right here, you can go ahead and install it exactly as you remove that one, and you'll be golden. If you'd like to see more videos on this Chrysler 300, I got a lot of videos coming out for it. So if you have one of these, or you want to learn how to do a bunch of performance modifications and other cool stuff that we're gonna be doing to this car, make sure you're subscribed right down here in the bottom right corner. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like, and I'll see you all next time.